How to use Grok 4.5 free unlimited. Grok 4.5 is XAI's flagship AI model. The free tier has limits, but here's how to maximize your queries without paying. So start by signing in with your X account, Google, or email. Free tier is automatically enabled, no card required. The free tier gives a limited number of prompts per day. Plan your usage carefully to avoid hitting the cap. Instead of asking 3 separate questions, combine them into one. This saves queries and gets more complete answers. Think mode uses more tokens. Save it for complex problems. Use standard mode for quick answers to stretch your allowance. Some users create a second free account for extra queries. This works but may violate terms. Use responsibly. Grok 4.5 free is great for casual use. If you hit limits daily, upgrading to Super Grok is the only way to go unlimited.